Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to see what's in your iCloud storage on your iPhones. So if you guys are getting the iCloud full message or anything like that on your iPhone or any kind of errors, I'm going to show you guys how to see what your iCloud storage is taking up, the allocation of it, and how much space you guys have left and things like that. Now to see it, all you guys have to do is go over to Settings and click on Settings. Once you're here, you want to go to the top where you see your name and your iCloud. Just click on that. And then once this pops up here, you just want to click on iCloud. And once you're in here, you will see all your iCloud storage and how much of it's being taken up. So as you guys see, I have 46 gigabytes of 200 gigabytes being used on my iCloud, and it shows you the allocation right there. So photos, backups, messages, and docs are the biggest items on my iCloud, and it shows you the allocation like that on that little bar graph there. One thing you guys can do as well is just go to Manage Storage after you see that. And this will pop open here showing you the direct allocation of all your storage. So as you guys see here, photos and backups are my two highest ones. And you could scroll down here to see what else is being taken up on your storage. But this is where you'll see everything right here. Now, if you guys click on something like, let's just say messages, you guys can disable and delete the storage for that as well. And if you go into photos, I believe you could do the same thing. Yep. So you can disable and delete storage there as well if you don't want that to be stored on your iCloud. If you guys want me to make a more detailed video of how to clean your iCloud out and things like that, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to make another video in detail. But anyhow, this is how you check out your iCloud storage. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to find this setting in your phone. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.